My next question is to Sara. I love each and every Jodi in this film, and everyone has their own unique chemistry. But maybe because of my age, I relate to your Jodi the most, you and Aditya. So, and the netizens have been raving about your chemistry. So, what was the experience like working with Aditya?
I also think that Basudha has a way of working that I have never really seen before, you know. You kind of like, and Adi, basically what I'm trying to say is Adi, having worked with Basudha before, was like it was like a nice bridge kind of a thing, because they like knew each other and they knew how to kind of work, and I instantly felt very comfortable because of, I think, the fact that he got me into this way of working.
I acted as a translator between the...
No, not really, but like my first day of work was with you and Fatima. And y'all were both like, you know, this is it, this is how it's going to be. Because I was like, ho kya raha hai? What's happening? What are we saying? Do we know what we're saying? And they're like, just go with it, just flow, you'll find, you know, you'll get used to it.
Ho jayega.
It's like, kya hoga?
Saas le le.
Yeah.
Saas le le.
So I think that, yeah, it was definitely helpful to have him around.
नमस्कार, मेरे 2-3 सवाल हैं. पहला सवाल मेरा सारा और आदित्य से है. एक समय था जब हम कहते थे इश्क मोहब्बत, ये वाला टाइम था. फिर उसके बाद आया कि एक रिलेशनशिप, और अब है सिचुएशनशिप. अब तो प्यार के, मोहब्बत के एक नए नए टर्म्स आ गए हैं. तो मैं आप दोनों से जानना चाहती हूँ कि आप क्या प्यार के ये जो एक नए लफ्ज़ आए हैं, ये एक नई सिचुएशन आई है, रिलेशनशिप के बाद जो एक सिचुएशनशिप है, आप इनसे कितना रिलेट करते हैं? क्योंकि सबसे यंगेस्ट जो जोड़ी है आप ही लोग हैं.
है क्या? What is a situationship? Technically, आप जानते what exactly is it? I'm not so cued in.
सिचुएशनशिप मतलब जो मैंने आर्टिकल किया, सिचुएशनशिप मतलब एक सिचुएशन में आप जिसके प्यार में पड़े हैं, वो एक सिचुएशनशिप है.
पर अब रिलेशनशिप में नहीं है.
नहीं है ना, तभी तो वो सिचुएशनशिप.
It's one step below a relationship.
Exactly.
It's without commitment.
It's without commitment.
जी.
टाइमिंग छोटी होती है ना सिचुएशन की.
It's a small situation.
जी बिल्कुल.
सिचुएशनशिप ना वो गरम फ्रेंच फ्राई की तरह है. शुरू में बड़ा कुरकुरा लगता है, थोड़ी देर बाद सॉगी हो जाता है.
पर इन दोनों को कैसा लगता है?
देखो, I didn't even understand कि ये term का meaning क्या है, तो I guess I'm old school like that.
Oh. And Sara, okay. And Sara, you?
No, I also feel the same way. I don't really believe in this situationship. I mean, to each their own.
Breadcrumbing?
What is that? Like, थोड़ा देना.
हाँ.
नहीं, थोड़ा नहीं चाहिए.
And benching. What about the benching?
What is that?
Benching मतलब कि एक से प्यार में रहना और एक को स्टेपनी की तरह रखना.
अरे बाप रे बाप.
बिल्कुल.
नहीं, मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा आर्टिकल किया है, इसलिए मुझे सारी बातें पता है.
पर ये सब तो पहले भी होता था ना?
हाँ, तब होता था, वो डबल डेटिंग बोलते थे. तब उस तरह से ये सारी चीजें शायद नाम बदल गए.
स्कूल में होती थी बेंचिंग.
नहीं, ये वो वाला बेंचिंग नहीं है.
वो अलग बेंचिंग है.
इतना ड्रामा कर दो, पता नहीं बेंचिंग के बारे में.
नहीं
पता है कि होता है, बट उसका नाम बेंचिंग है, ये थोड़ी ना पता है.
हाँ.
My question is to Sara Ali Khan. Your hairstyle looks very beautiful, and I must say it's quite unique also. And did you like draw comparisons, you know, probably from some of the characters played in the past, probably not by you but your fellow actors, like even, you know, Deepika Padukone in Ye Jawani Diwani, like the chashmish look and the kind of look, probably that is one reference which felt so. And apart from that, what you have to say about this one? You have been a part of love stories in the past. All has been a different, you know, story, and you have had your own success for that one. Do you have some pressure on you right now with this one?
Honestly, I'll start with the latter part of the question. I have never felt less pressure. I think that I'd said this earlier, and then Basudha didn't let me finish, so I'll say it again. I just think that, you know, there are moments where I can't even believe that I'm here. I am just so honored and privileged to be on a stage right now with like 7 actors that I admire, with Basudha, you know, with Bhushan sir, in a film like this. I mean, it's just amazing. It's like, it's surreal to me to just be a part of it. So I don't think that, I mean, the pressure would be mine at all, actually. But I think that as far as the look is concerned, much like everything else, it was all Basuda's brainchild. But I think that it definitely is not glamorous. It's real, I feel. And I feel like, you know, my character in this film is just like an easy breezy girl just trying to figure her life out. And I've never been given an opportunity to kind of showcase that in like an urban but real sense before, you know. So I don't know, I hope that it's liked.
I wanted the hair a little shorter. बहुत हमारी
कहाँ झगड़े सर?
झगड़े नहीं, मतलब finally हम लोग बीच में यहाँ पे अच्छा length wise
You wanted it even shorter than this?
I wanted to have a shorter hair.
Okay, so well, that's it.
Aditya, my second question is to you. You call yourself someone who believes in old school love. We know you'll make breakfast definitely for your girlfriend. But what is the biggest red and green flag that you look in a partner, and what will it take for you to commit to someone? Because you're the only unmarried male in the panel right now.
A red flag would be, I think. I could say that, but no, maybe. Someone who's got a prison record that might go against been to jail. Yeah, the red flag. No, yeah, I think a green flag is just, I guess, just someone who's kind. If someone is kindness is, I guess, an important thing, because if you're planning to be with someone for a long time, you'll end up being in all kinds of situations. But if they're inherently kind, then that's definitely a green flag. And a red flag, yeah, like Sir said, if they land up in your hall with suitcases, it might be a problem. So maybe that.
I have a question for Neena ji, Konkana ji, Sara and Fatima. You know, Sara, you asked somebody here what is the lesson that love has taught them. But if all four of y'all have to tell me one lesson that love has taught y'all, what would that be?
बहुत दर्दी है यार प्यार ने बस नहीं पता
क्या लव ने हमें क्या लेसन सिखाया
जी
मेरे को तो लव हुआ ही नहीं मैं क्या बताऊँ
I would say that I think you have to be prepared, you know, for an element of risk. And life is uncertain. There are no guarantees in life. Except for death, there are no certainties in life. And you have to embrace it. And you have to take a risk. Like the box office.
I think, honestly, sometimes I struggle with going with the flow. And I think one is learnt that, like Coco ma'am just said, that you just have to go in blind, you know, and just like hope for the best. And that's it.